Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's trading floor. It is Tuesday, March 2nd. Having this market start off with a little bit of recovery after initial overnight sell-off in response to that Monday sell-off we were seeing here in the grains. Dollar looked really great yesterday, and you saw a little bit of energy sell-off as well. So let's dive into some of these fundamentals. On the fundamental side of things, we're going to be looking at this WASD report here next week and what it has to bring with us. It's going to be potentially some further cuts, maybe another kick the can report with a lot of focus towards the end of the month and the prospective plannings report that comes with it. With yesterday's movement in the dollar and equities, a lot of it had to do with the fact that there is a third vaccine now approved for coronavirus vaccination in hopes that we have some kind of return to normal by this summertime frame, and looking for businesses to restart, regrowing the economy, moving everything that direction. This weekend we'll be watching for any kind of rains that enter that are currently in the forecast for winter wheat country, helping out this wheat in pivotal time frame, which is going to be this upcoming spring, and what that has to do with yield potential for that crop. On the box beef report here yesterday, choice and select both down, choice down $1.50 with select down $2.09. Carcass for pork down $1.47. Cattle show list up 32,600 for the week with 12 new deliveries against the February contract. On the technical side of things for this corn market, we are in a bit of this sideways holding pattern. And you're seeing some support off of this very minor lower support level that we've seen since entering, but we are currently in between some large support and resistance that could give us some directional movement in this market going forward, especially as we get towards the end of the month with a seasonal downtrend possible. So we'll be watching this 522.25 here to the low side, with 550 being our midpoint that we've been oscillating around, being our resistance to the top side. Get a break of 558, and that could really open the doors for potential further upside movement, and keeping a very close eye on a break of 522.25 of that 492.5 for more fear and panic to potentially enter this market. If you guys want to get signed up for the snapshot, we have a new one coming out for the next WASD report. Please call Zach at 800-262-7538. If you have any questions for me directly, please give me a call 815-578-6177. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one out there.